Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, dictionaries are mutable data structures, which means you can change their values after creation. Let's walk through a tutorial on how to change the values of a dictionary with code examples. Let's start by creating a dictionary with some initial values. You can access and change the value of a specific key in the dictionary using square brackets. In this example, we accessed the value associated with the key age and changed it to 26. You can also add new key value pairs to the dictionary. Here, we added a new key occupation with the value software engineer. To remove a key value pair from the dictionary, you can use the del statement. In this case, we removed the key value pair associated with the key city. You can iterate through all key value pairs in a dictionary using a for loop. This loop prints each key value pair in the dictionary. You can update multiple values in the dictionary using the update method. Here, we updated the values associated with the key's name and age. Changing values in a Python dictionary is a straightforward process involving access, assignment, and removal operations. Dictionaries provide a flexible and efficient way to manage key value pairs in your Python programs. Feel free to copy and paste the code examples into a Python environment to see the results. Happy coding! ChatGPT